Hey, it's Hannah from WTI, and this book, The Berenstain Bears Learn About Strangers, I think is such an important book for kids. It is so well written and helps teach your children about the importance of learning about strangers and how important it is to talk to their parents about people they don't know. And this is so well written of parents teaching them how strangers can be friendly, but they could also be dangerous. So it's really a great book. I know it's from the 80s, but the lessons in it are still fantastic for kids today. It's a great book to have in your children's book collection. And I love how at the last page it has brother and sister bears rules for cubs. So it's just a great little learning tool. And I think it's a fantastic book to have. And that is my point of view.